Kocha mar Harambee Stars Ben McCarthy okwayo johera mag adhula mondo kiny owuog oko pak tim mar Harambee Stars e tugi mokwongo e kidi kod DR Congo e lap ma Kasarani. Olero ni jotugo mibiro mi thuolo e tim mokwongo biro bedo gi ting' mar chung'ne Kenya kendo ni tich ni e lwetgi mondo gimi Kenya loch.
Mood in the camp has been surprisingly very calm, very good. I think on the training pitch, that's where I make my assessment. So everyone's been working exceptionally hard, and the players have really pushed each other and pushed themselves also to get to be part of the squad and to be ready to be selected. Whoever is gonna go out on the pitch tomorrow, I'm pretty sure that they will do the best possible job for not only for themselves and their family, but for the country that's behind us. So as a coach, it's a lot of headaches because you can only select 11 players out of the 23 that you have. But yeah, I think we support each other, and whichever 11 players is going out there, everyone will do their best, and everyone